I guess I'm going to record some more. We have this weird dirt, like a fog, and it's not really fog. It looks like dirt that's moving through. We have like a tornado warning, and I'm trying to face this camera out towards the street light. And if you look real closely, right underneath the street light, you'll see that it's like a fog, but it's not fog. It's dirt blowing through. And it's been doing that for at least 5 minutes. The dirt's just been flying through like a fog. And it looks like, see, now it looks like that it's tried to clear off. And it says we have a severe thunderstorm warning until 8:35. But yeah, it's real weird. See that dirt, how it's kind of circling back around. Now you can see it again. See how that dirt is coming up over there by underneath the street lamp. And my son's out in the yard, and he said he can see more of the dirt coming, towards us. So that is, I've never seen that before. It's real strange. It's just like a huge fog, but it's not fog, it's dirt. It's like dust clouding up and moving through.
See what's all light? It's like fog.
Yeah, it looks like fog, but it's not fog, it's dirt that just is traveling through. So strange. See, now the wind's blowing, and you can see out there by the street light how that dirt is just moving through the sky. It's real odd. It was, yeah, real odd how that dirt is just moving through. It's like flowing through. So strange. Ooh. There's huge lightning. I missed it. I was gonna catch that for you.
I just seen it.
But I seen it. It was a huge lightning that came down. You could hear it. Yeah, it's like dirt. It's like dirt in the air. Yeah.
Yeah, it's picking up again.
So, well, it looks like the storm's going to pick up again. I'm going to stop the video.